So I'm discussing about the outwriting for SEO title and description, how to write, how to utilize on your website. So people searching for your website, some query or keyword, how to display on your keywords based on your title and description, how to show website on your Google first position. Any title writing for is a very important condition will be primary keyword, secondary and tertiary keyword. Primary keyword nothing but your what are the provided service is the primary keyword. Suppose you're providing for digital marketing is a primary keyword. Suppose you're providing for Java is a primary keyword as a training or services. So in this one, first one, my primary keyword, secondary and a tertiary keyword. Here we take an example. Online movies your primary keyword. Your web portal is the online movies related. Your web portal is the online movies will be related. The people searching for free online movies, watch online movies. When writing each title, we can implement for the minimum 4 to 6 keywords. More than 4 to 6 keywords. In this, how many title will be there? First keyword, second, third. You can see. Online movie search will be two ways. Online movies and movie. Two keywords. And free online movies, free online movie. Watch online movie, watch online movies. Totally 6 keywords. Free watch online movies, free watch online movie. Total 8 keywords. Same like we can writing for so many keywords using this option. The relevant keywords will be matching for your SEO meta description. See this one. Online movies, watch, movie online watch, online movie, watch online movie, free movies online, Hindi, Hollywood movie, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. So in based on the title and description, you can implement on your website keywords are more than 40 keywords. More than 40 keywords. This all will be related for the title and the description. Simple. Some people asking one question. Sir, I am searching some keyword, but they not display the title. Why that keyword showing for Google first position? That depend on by your meta description also. That is called your SEO total dependent by your title and the description. Why? Because title will be accessed only for 60 characters. Suppose if exceed more than 60, what happened? They display on only for 60 characters. Based on the word changing, based on the sentence formation, the keyword version will be changed. The total depend by your title and the description. So I'm writing for title will be like this. Next I'm writing for total title description will be like this. In total title of description, you can implement for the total 40 plus keywords. So here, how many keywords in this title? Minimum 10 keywords. In 10 keywords, I'm writing for below, before or after, adding for Telugu online movies in Telugu, watch free online movies Telugu movies in online. So when adding the one word, they're adding for how many keywords? 10 plus into 4 places. That is called adding for 40 keywords. So just I'm adding for simply we're adding for description. So I show one example here. I'm searching for online movies. What are you showing here? Watch full movies online. I'm searching for online movies, but title will be watch full movies online. Means online will be matching, movies are matching. In this come to here, description. Highlight your description. What is the first website? freeform.go. So next one. Free online movies. See this one. 70 best website to watch free movies online without ads 2019. Just I'm changing only for one word is called free. So search will be total different. So this all will adding for match means the one title is called SEO title like this. Online movies, free online movies, watch online movies. People how to search the base on writing for title is the important. So that is called Hindi will be showing for your option. So people are no idea about the title. They're writing for simple sentence writing for your title. Any title selection you can implement for minimum 10 keywords. So same one, free online movies you're writing for free watch online movies. Watch free movies online at moviefinder.com. So based on the keyword changing, your websites also will be changed. Your searches will be also changed. Suppose I'm writing for free watch Telugu online movies. See this. These all into one title and description. Your website will be always first. That is the condition of your writing SEO title and description. People are for confused purpose. They are not writing for like this. So that is called in your one website. You can promote for entire keywords they're using for title and description. That is called will be like this. This is the title and this is the description. So description condition is called this description of the web page. The description should be included with the targeted keyword for this page. That is called your what are the keywords you not targeted by title, the target by your description also. So what are the target your keywords? The target by your title also. This is called your description and the title. Is a relevant also will be important from your title selection and keyword selection. When you're writing for any title, don't exceed by 60 characters. When writing for meta description, don't exceed for the 300 characters. Each character will be have space also will be character. Online movies comma also character. Your special characters or any space, this all will include by character about the 60 characters. That is called writing for title and meta description. Why people writing for title and description? Only for one reason is called we can implement our website with multiple keywords for ranking my website Google first position purpose writing for title and description. Please note on this.